On Super Hits 93.5 Red FM, I'm RJ Priya, and today someone special has joined me in the studio. He is Mr. Jameel Jabbar, the owner of Jabbar Travels. He's a rising star and a part of the Primo program. So who are these rising stars of the Primo program? They are bus operators who are top rated from all of India. And if you are traveling anywhere in India, I think that is something that you need to look out for. Welcome to Red FM, Mr. Jameel. How are you today?
Good day, Ms. Priya. I'm doing good. Wonderful to be a part of this.
मैं आपकी जर्नी को लेके थोड़ा क्यूरियस हूँ. आप मुझे बताओ, how did you start?
Ms. Priya, actually the journey has been wonderful, and the journey started way back in 1968.
1968. Okay.
Yeah, we are the third generational operators as of now. It was actually my grandfather who started, and then my father took over, and then I am running the business as of now.
How much area coverage was it at the beginning, and now how much have you expanded? If you could tell me a little bit about that.
At the very beginning, it was very limited, like Bangalore to Mulbagal, Bangalore to Chintamani, something like this. 40 kilometers radius, 50 kilometers का radius से start हुआ था. Actually, this was the actual advent of Jabbar Travels, and it was actually then JTS Tours and Travels. It was not Jabbar Travels.
अच्छा, नाम अलग था.
Yeah,
okay.
तब actually JTS Tours and Travels के साथ चालू हुआ था.
Okay, tell me about an unforgettable moment that you had during your entire tenure.
Priya ji, ऐसे तो there were a lot of instances which are memorable, but one event which really stands out in my memory is, we actually had one birth happening in the bus on board.
Oh, so on the bus?
Yeah, on
a
the
baby
bus.
was born
on the
in
bus,
one of your
on
buses?
On the running bus.
Wow, okay.
There was one lady, a pregnant lady, who was traveling from Hyderabad to Mumbai in one of our Volvo buses. But due to some unforeseen circumstances, she had premature labor maybe.
Okay.
And then, the bus was traveling, and it was quite late night, 1:30, 2 o'clock in the night, and the driver, she was quite in pain, and drivers, even before we could go to some medical emergency, something like that, the birth happened on the bus only. It was all happened just in span of 8 to 10 minutes.
Oh my God.
Yeah, with the help of the drivers and some few good Samaritans on the bus, the customers which were there.
Yeah.
These people helped the woman give birth to a child. Even today, I'm in touch with them, and the baby and the mother are doing quite well.
Achha, so abhi, now the Primo program curates the top-rated bus operators of India. तो आप कैसे top rated bus operator बने, and how is Primo helping you out? I would like to know that.
Ms. Priya, Primo as a product from Redbus has been quite special. Basically, for me, it is a kind of a tool. It helps us to understand the core values, what are required to satisfy the customer to the toppest level.
Correct.
And then later on you have the kind of service, the other back end जो Red Pro के तरफ से अपने को जो support मिलता है, जैसे tech support हो गया, and then we have the driver training and the support staff training. These people come up with such initiatives, training initiatives. They help our staff to understand better the customer requirements.
Okay, super.
And then we have the customer loyalty programs. जैसे कि trip rewards.
Oh, okay.
Wherein we have customer retention policies. For example, the customer travels 3 to 4 times in a month.
Yeah.
Then we have a free travel.
Oh, okay.
Then it helps us to have the customer back choosing us over and over and again. Primo has played an important role, and Primo has helped us to understand the core values. What customers' requirements are there, and this is how we have done it. And आगे भी we will try to improve with it's a hand-in-hand coordination from Redbus, Primo team, and with us. We will try to improve as well.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Jameel, for joining us at Red FM, and may you get more and more customers. And for
Hopefully.
the listeners out there,
Yeah.
अगर आपको Redbus पे जाके booking करनी है, make sure that you are choosing a Primo bus operator, because they are the best in class when it comes to the service that is going to make sure that आपकी journey is always going to be safe and happy.